In this video, we will show you how to use Dashcam in a Tesla. This information is from the Tesla driver manual, and I have included a link to the manual in the description below. Dashcam records video footage of your vehicle's surroundings while driving. Use Dashcam to record driving incidents or other notable events like you would for an external dashcam on other vehicles. The Dashcam icon is located in the app launcher. You can add the Dashcam app to the bottom bar for easy access. When Model Y is in park, touching the Dashcam icon displays the viewer. To protect your privacy, video recordings are saved locally to a formatted USB flash drive's onboard memory. Recordings are not sent to Tesla. Model Y does not record videos when Dashcam is off. So how do you use the Dashcam? 1. Format a USB flash drive. Dashcam requires a properly formatted USB drive inserted in your vehicle's USB port to store and retrieve footage. Vehicles manufactured beginning approximately 2020 are equipped with a pre-formatted USB flash drive in the glove box. There are two ways to format the flash drive if needed. Format the flash drive with Model Y. Insert the flash drive into the USB port and navigate to Controls, Safety and Format USB drive. Format the flash drive on a computer. 2. Insert the USB flash drive into your vehicle's USB port, preferably the one in the glove box, if equipped. 3. Enable Dashcam by touching Controls and then Dashcam. Dashcam allows you to choose how and when footage is saved. You can choose between Auto. Dashcam automatically saves a recording to the USB drive when Model Y detects a safety-critical event, such as a collision or airbag deployment. When Auto is selected, detection can vary and is subject to your vehicle's power, sleep, and autopilot state. Manual. You must manually touch the Dashcam icon to save a recording of the most recent 10 minutes of footage. On honk. When you press the horn, Dashcam saves a recording of the most recent 10 minutes of footage. You can enable this along with auto or manual simultaneously. Once enabled, the Dashcam icon indicates when footage is saved. You can also view the status of the Dashcam icon in Controls. The icon changes to show the status of Dashcam. Recording. Dashcam is recording. To save video footage, touch the icon. To pause recording, press and hold the icon. Available. Dashcam is available but not actively recording. Touch the Dashcam icon to start recording footage. Paused. Dashcam is paused. To resume recording, touch the icon. To avoid losing video footage, pause Dashcam before removing the flash drive. Busy. Dashcam is in the process of loading, saving, or overwriting footage. While Dashcam is busy, footage is not being captured and recorded. Saved. Footage is saved. You can also save Dashcam clips by touching the Dashcam icon in the app launcher while driving. 5. When your desired footage is saved, view the clips on the touchscreen or a computer. Touchscreen. Ensure Model Y is in park and touch the Dashcam icon in the app launcher. Videos are organized by timestamp. Computer. Insert the USB flash drive into a computer and navigate to the Dashcam folder. Videos are organized by timestamp. To turn Dashcam off, navigate to Controls, Dashcam and off. If set to auto, manual, or on honk, Dashcam automatically enables, but may not be actively saving footage, depending on your preferences every time you drive. That's it. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe.